These are the bird carvings of Brad Wiley. Brad has been carving birds full-time for 25 years. He carves all sorts of birds, from songbirds to birds of prey, to things you'd see in your backyard, to things that people would see in Africa or Costa Rica. Brad's style is super realistic. The feather detail is burnt in with a wood-burning tool, and Brad uses acrylic paint to finish his birds. Brad's birds are all mounted on driftwood, and they reflect the pose and attitude of the bird. Brad really enjoys what he does, and he hopes you enjoy looking at his birds today.